Hi folks, this is All the Fruit, and today I have some tasty delicious apricot seeds for you. You might wonder, apricot seeds, why? Well, if you're from a western country, this is a good question, but I'm not from a western country. I was born in Bulgaria on the Balkans. And even as a very small child, I learned, you eat a cherry, you throw away the seed. You eat a plum, you throw away the seed. You eat a peach, you throw away the seed. But you eat an apricot, you keep the seed, because the seed is delicious. So in my grandfather's house, we had a place in the garden where we stored all the seeds, and whenever we wanted to eat some almonds and didn't have almonds at home, or even if we did have almonds at home, we went to this place in the garden and broke the seeds and ate them, and they tasted just like almonds. Imagine my severe disappointment when I came to the golden western capitalist world where everything was so nice and shiny and so much better, but the apricot seeds were bitter. This was quite a shock for me. So you could eat the apricot fruit in the West, but not the seeds. And for this very video, it took me about 3 months of preparation until I finally found some apricots with edible seeds. The tiny Turkish sugar apricots. It's a funny thing. Like in the East, like this area, the Balkans, Ukraine, Turkey, Hungary, usually have less fruit species and fruit varieties, but the taste and quality is much better. While in the West, you have a giant confusion of thousands of varieties and dozens of fruit species, but the taste is usually not that perfect. So all the apricots I got from German farms, from Italian farms, from Spanish farms, from French farms, they all had bitter seeds. But those small Turkish sugar apricots, they had really nice and delicious seeds. So let's see the difference. It's really funny. Those sugar apricots, they have those elongated plum-like seeds. Apricot seeds usually look like this. And this variety has very differently looking seeds, but like all the apricot varieties from the East Mediterranean and Black Sea area, they are tasty. So let's start with some seed of a normal size orange Spanish apricot. I already ate all the Spanish apricots, so sorry, I cannot show you the fruit, but they look like every average apricot. Come on. Okay, I cracked the seed too. So that's what the seed looks like, basically like a fat almond. Yeah, it tastes like a bitter almond. Bitter. I mean, it's a nice bitterness. That's why bitter almonds are used for making cakes and liquors and sweets and stuff like that, but they are used in very small amounts as a spice for two good reasons. First, even a delicate bitterness shouldn't be overdosed, and second, all those rosaceae seeds and pits which are bitter, they contain a high amount of cyanide. That's why in many countries bitter almonds are being sold only in very small packages, like maximum 5 almonds. Because if you eat more, I think 10 can already kill a small child. And the same goes for those western apricot seeds and also for all those peach and plum and other seeds. But it's very different with the apricot seeds from the East, even if they might look like plum seeds in this case. Because those are delicious. A fresh almond Still with some moisture in it. Oh yeah, I like all kinds of fresh nuts and nut-like seeds. With a nice almond flavor. Delicious. Such a pity all those Western varieties lack the edible seeds. It's one thing I'm missing. Like this was like, you get a bunch of apricots and this was eating them for the second time. Really good. So folks, if you have the chance to find some apricots from like Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary, Turkey, Greece, whatever, Cyprus, Ukraine, break one pit, one stone, try the seed. If they are sweet, you can eat them all. If the first seed is bitter, just spit it out and throw away all the other seeds. They are not tasty and also contain a very high amount of cyanide. Or just use them like bitter almonds to flavor cakes or liquors or whatever. Hey, but don't blame me if you get cyanide poisoning from eating bitter apricot or other bitter rosaceae seeds. That's quite a nice rule of thumb. If some rosaceae seeds taste bitter, don't eat them. If they taste sweet, they are probably edible. Okay folks, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the parks, gardens and supermarkets of Germany. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.